Nooresh Merani as well as Kunal Bothra joining us to talk to us about the technicals of the market. Nooresh, you go first. Last week we saw that mark of 19,500 but retraced when it comes to the Friday's trading action. What's the direction like going to be this week?
So expecting a pause to continue, we get into a new band, which is where, say earlier we had this band of 18,600 to 18,900 roughly. We could get into a 400 pointer band now, which could be 19,200 to 19,500, 600 on the upper end. And this could be the band wherein we continue to trade, not expecting a breakout going forward, but stock specific rotation could start. So a little bit of a pause is necessary. At higher levels, we'll continue to see selling. So time now to expect this consolidation on the index and maybe some selective mid caps and small caps and new rotation even in the large caps. So time to be more selective than what was before.
Okay, be selective. That's the word coming in from Nooresh. Kunal, hi, morning. You think some more consolidation on the cards or maybe even a dip?
Well, good morning, Aisha. So, expecting consolidation, not too much of a dip for the indices. I think the major part of the action seems to be behind us. We've corrected some 150, 180 points odd on the Nifty from the 19,500 odd mark on an intraday basis on Friday. On the Bank Nifty, I think the correction has been more steep. I think it's been more than 750, 800 points of a correction. Now, given the kind of market internals we are actually seeing, it's very difficult to anticipate that we would probably get into a much more deeper or a sharper correction on the indices. At best, even if you consolidate, say, for the next 1 week, then I think that also would be considered quite good as well as healthy for the markets, as well as for the index. So I would expect more of a time-wise correction rather than a major price-wise correction for the index. But in case if the Nifty dips back towards 19,200 mark, that could actually be a very good point to reinitiate a buy, which we closed off last week.